Hey everyone, it's 2024 and the digital marketing landscape is evolving faster than ever. By 2025, businesses must fully embrace new technologies, platforms, and strategies to thrive. We're talking about a seismic shift, not just incremental changes, so buckle up and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the big one, artificial intelligence, or AI. This revolutionary technology is reshaping the marketing landscape in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. AI is already transforming marketing, driving personalization, customer targeting, and data analysis. It's like having a supercharged marketing team working around the clock, ensuring every campaign hits the mark. Imagine algorithms predicting your customer's next move before they even make it. This predictive power allows you to stay one step ahead, crafting strategies that resonate deeply with your audience. Chatbots will handle customer queries, provide support, and even close sales, all while you sleep. These virtual assistants are available 24/7, ensuring your customers always have the help they need. AI can analyze massive datasets in real time, tailoring your marketing efforts with precision. This means more effective campaigns, better ROI, and a deeper understanding of your market. One example is AI-powered product recommendations, like the "you might also like" sections on e-commerce websites. These suggestions are based on sophisticated algorithms that understand customer preferences and behaviors. AI isn't just for big players anymore. Affordable tools are available for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a startup or a well-established company, AI can help you compete on a level playing field. Embrace AI to level the playing field. It's your secret weapon. By integrating AI into your marketing strategy, you can unlock new opportunities, drive growth, and stay ahead of the competition. Next up, the rise of voice search. This technology is transforming the way we interact with our devices. By 2025, 60% of internet users will rely on voice search. This rapid adoption is driven by the convenience and speed it offers. This means optimizing your content for voice queries is more important than ever. Voice search changes the way people phrase their questions. People use longer phrases and natural language when speaking. They tend to ask complete questions rather than typing short keywords. Your content needs to reflect that. It should be conversational and answer specific questions directly. Voice SEO is essential for reaching new audiences. It involves optimizing for the way people speak, not just the way they type. Optimize your website and content for voice search queries. This includes using natural language and focusing on long-tail keywords. Think about the questions your customers are asking and create content that provides answers in a conversational tone. This approach will make your content more accessible and engaging. Smart assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri are becoming staples in homes and offices. They are changing the way we search for information and interact with technology. When someone asks their smart speaker a question, you want your brand to provide the answer. This means being present where your audience is looking for information. This opens up a whole new avenue for traffic and leads. Voice search can drive significant growth for your business if you leverage it correctly. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Embrace voice search and make it a key part of your digital strategy to stay ahead of the competition. People love to watch videos. Whether it's on their smartphones, tablets, or laptops, video content has become an integral part of our daily lives. From entertainment to education, videos are everywhere. By 2025, 80% of internet traffic will be video. This staggering statistic highlights the growing dominance of video content in our digital world. It's clear that video is not just a trend, but the future of online communication. Short, snackable video content is where it's at. These bite-sized videos are perfect for our fast-paced lives, offering quick bursts of information or entertainment that can be consumed on the go. Think TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. These platforms are exploding in popularity. They cater to the demand for short, engaging content that captures attention quickly and keeps viewers coming back for more. Shoppable videos are the future of e-commerce. Imagine the convenience of watching a product demo and being able to purchase the item instantly without ever leaving the video. Imagine watching a product demo and buying the product directly within the video player. This seamless integration of content and commerce is revolutionizing the way we shop online. Live streaming is another powerful tool. It allows brands to connect with their audience in real time, creating a sense of immediacy and authenticity that pre-recorded videos can't match. Host quandas, product launches, or behind-the-scenes glimpses to build deeper connections in real time. These live interactions can foster a sense of community and trust among your audience. Video allows you to convey emotion, showcase your brand personality, and tell stories. It's a medium that can evoke feelings and create memorable experiences for your viewers. It's about creating an immersive experience that captures attention. Engaging video content can draw viewers in and keep them hooked, making your message more impactful. Experiment with different video formats and find what works best for your audience. From live streams to animated explainer videos, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to see serious results. With the right strategy, video content can drive engagement, increase conversions, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Now let's talk about data privacy. By 2025, data protection and user privacy will be more critical than ever. Stricter regulations like GDPR and CCPA are being put in place. Transparency is key. Be upfront with your customers about how you're collecting, storing, and using their data. It's about building trust. Consumers want to know their information is safe and that you're not bombarding them with irrelevant ads. Focus on ethical data collection practices and always get explicit consent. Build stronger relationships with your customers through transparency. Here's a trend that's already making waves: social commerce. By 2025, social media platforms will transform into fully integrated e-commerce hubs. Customers can browse products, make purchases, and track orders without leaving their favorite social media app. Social commerce breaks down barriers between discovery and purchase. Invest in creating engaging and shoppable social media experiences. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are leading the charge with shoppable posts and live shopping events. Make the shopping experience as frictionless as possible. The easier it is for customers to buy from you, the more likely they are to convert. Start selling your products or services on social media now. Get ready for a speed boost. 5G technology is here. With lightning-fast internet speeds and lower latency, 5G unlocks new possibilities for digital marketing. Imagine immersive, augmented reality experiences that load in the blink of an eye. 5G delivers content faster, smoother, and with higher quality. Rethink your content strategy and explore new ways to leverage 5G. Think high-definition video streaming and interactive augmented reality experiences. As 5G becomes more widely available, expect more innovative applications. Leverage 5G to create more engaging and immersive experiences. The future of digital marketing is faster and more connected than ever. In the future of digital marketing, one size fits none. By 2025, hyper-personalization will be the norm. Data-driven marketing is key. Use AI and machine learning to create highly personalized experiences. Think personalized email campaigns, product recommendations, and dynamic website content. Consumers expect tailored experiences at every stage of the customer journey. Hyper-personalization builds stronger relationships with your customers. Show them you understand their needs to build trust and drive sales. In digital marketing, content is king. By 2025, quality will trump quantity. Consumers are bombarded with content from all directions. Deliver content that provides real value. Focus on high-quality, relevant, and informative content. Understand your audience's pain points and provide solutions. Authenticity is key. Share your brand story and showcase your values. Use storytelling to create an emotional connection. Long-form content like blog posts, ebooks, and podcasts will still play a major role. These formats allow you to dive deep into topics and establish thought leadership. Provide comprehensive value to your audience. The customer journey is no longer linear. By 2025, creating seamless omnichannel experiences will be non-negotiable. Consumers expect a consistent and personalized experience across all channels. Break down the silos between your marketing channels. create a unified customer experience. Your website, social media, email marketing, mobile app, and physical store should work together seamlessly. Use the same tone of voice, brand colors, and messaging. Share customer data across all platforms for a personalized experience. Meet your customers where they are and provide a seamless experience. As we've explored, the digital marketing landscape is undergoing a massive transformation. By 2025, technology, personalization, and trust will drive successful marketing campaigns. Adapt or get left behind. Brands that embrace these trends early will thrive. Update your digital marketing strategies and experiment with new technologies. The future of digital marketing is full of exciting possibilities. Embrace change, stay curious, and always put your customers first. For expert guidance, contact ZICA Animation Borivali at 8828225522 or visit our website.